In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a file embed to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to elfsite.com. Then sign in to your Elfsite account. After logging in, click Add New App to create a new widget. In the search bar, type the type of file you want to embed, such as PDF, and select the PDF embed widget from the results. Choose a template that fits your website, then click Continue with this template. Upload your file or configure the widget as needed, then click Publish in the upper right corner. Return to your Elfsite dashboard, find the widget you just created, click the three-dot menu next to it, and select Embed Code. Copy the embed code provided. Now open weebly.com, sign in to your account, and open the website where you want to display the file. In the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. From the left panel, drag the embed code element onto your page. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to display the complete list. Click the embed code element, select Edit Custom HTML, and paste the embed code you copied from Elfsite. Once you've finished, save and publish your website. Your embedded file will now be displayed on your Weebly page, allowing visitors to view it without downloading it. That's how to add a file embed to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.